Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. I had today in my shop in the morning my friend's 2010 Tacoma. We did all change tire rotation checks, check the rear brakes, and I have to complain. He left a lot of mess here. I like my shop clean, squeaky clean. So this is completely driving me crazy. But I get it. They own the farm. They produce a lot of meat. And obviously, living there, there's a lot of mud, gravel, sand, and so on. Ironically, anytime this friend comes, he says, "Can I use your restroom?" It's the cleanest automotive restroom I ever experienced. And I don't think it's excessive to have the floor clean, considering that I'm the one who crawls all over here. As you can imagine, sometimes when you want to put the vehicle on the lift, you cannot see under. And I really have to lay down and correctly install those so they are perfectly on the frame. So I think it's normal to have a clean shop, right? Now after I got rid of that rough mess, I can start to do some fine cleaning. Say hello to my big friend Moppy. To get this mop, which is the largest you can normally buy around, was a pretty funny story. 3 or 4 years ago I was sharing that shop with a friend. And I bought that one size smaller. We started using it, and after a few days, that friend broke it. He completely broke it. So I said, okay, well, let's get a new one now. Apparently there was a problem with it. I replaced it, brought another unit, the smaller one. The friend broke it again in 1 day. So I said, okay, let's buy the biggest one and the most heavy duty. And I have this baby probably for what? Yeah, 3 years. And it's perfectly working. Maybe it's because the friend is not using it. I'm not sure. And to mop this shop, I always used this super clean product, which I bought from O'Reilly, my supplier. This one is done, so I should get rid of it. I just finished it actually the other day. And here is the new one. So all you gotta do is tiny bit of that super clean, and that perfectly cleans entire floor of the shop. I think this was the problem what that friend did, because he always broke this squeeze part. I guess he was leaning on this way too hard, and obviously the smaller unit is not so heavy duty. So this is what I do. I use that purple super clean, which I was buying. A couple of months ago I got an email from the company. I guess they were promoting their products. If I would like to have some free samples from them. I said, yes, why not? I had no idea in what trouble I will mental trouble I will put myself. They immediately shipped the box out. I got it like within few days. But it's 2-3 months ago. Anytime I remember that I never open it. Free samples. Because I'm so busy here with all kinds of stuff. I feel like a horrible guilt trip. So let's go and finally see what is in that box. And I can see it was shipped by Jessica from Super Clean Brands Incorporated. So I'm sorry, Jessica, it took so long, but running the shop and doing YouTube, it's really a challenge for me, and I just couldn't find the time for it. But good news, let's go and see what you guys were sending out to me and other YouTubers. I saw other people having some hats and stuff like that. So I guess you are promoting your brand. Oh la la, here we go. And maybe that will be cooperation for future. Maybe we can have a stuff for subscribers. The channel is growing. We would like to do a lot of changes in 2021. And here is one of them. Look at that. So that can go to someone. We ask them in the email if they have any hats and so on. Boom, boom, boom. Here is the hat. Look at it. Super clean. This is what I was talking about. I saw some YouTubers wearing this stuff recently. So that's not bad. And that might make somebody happy. What else is in the box? So I can see here is an empty bottle, and I'm assuming it's for mixing the stuff which comes in the concentrate. Here is Super Clean. Easy Spray Aerosol Clean, Tough Task Cleaner Degreaser. Dissolves grease, super easy, super fast. That's definitely for automotive. They say brakes or the backyard grills, and definitely engines as a valve covers. Don't you think? That will be perfect for 5EZFE valve covers. The next item I see here, the bottles of that, again, cleaner, and the sprayer is on the side. I guess it's for safety of the shipping. So I have one. Is this? Oh, no. Look at that. Super clean and foaming. It's also very important, biodegradable detergents. Look at it. So you don't have to feel bad about the environment when you are using it, and you are afraid it might end up in the drainage somewhere. Super clean all-wheel cleaner. Oh my God, this phone will kill me one day. And the last product, last and largest item in the box is this Super Clean floor absorbent. That will be perfect, I'm assuming. Oh yeah, for any kind of spills. It's for garages, even the farms and so on. So if you have a oil spill, apparently Super Clean. Oh yeah. So this is how you will be pouring it out. And it's granules. You can see it kind of here, right? And every shop has a spills, correct? Oil spill or transmission. So I have my own here. This is also what I bought commercially, but I am clean freak. So as you can see, it's full. It's my first one. I try always prevent those spills. I like my floors clean, as I said, or maybe that will be the video title. So I don't do that. I think I have similar guy on the YouTube which calls himself Car Ninja, or maybe Hoovy called him Car Ninja. He has an interesting channel, and if you will look at his videos, check out his shop. It's brand new, pristine, spotless. You can physically eat your food off the floor, I believe, anytime. The phone is ringing again. You might think, why you just don't switch it off, put it on silent? Well, I have people who I want to talk to, then I will not hear it. So it's very unfortunate. It's a lot of scam and stuff like that. Most of people never leave any message. So thank you, Super Clean. Thank you, Jessica, for sending all these cool products. I will definitely use them. This YouTube channel is becoming slowly bigger and bigger thanks to you subscribers. And soon it might be large enough that it will allow for changes we are planning for a while. And what we are planning, I would like to discuss with you with some of the futures videos. So I thank you for supporting this online community of Toyota owners. Thank you for watching this video and make sure you are subscribed. I have a lot coming your way soon. See you later, my friend.